Creating realistic product mockups with ChatGPT is now incredibly simple and perfect for showcasing your designs professionally. Start by opening ChatGPT in any browser, then click on the plus icon and choose the Upload Image option. Upload both your mockup image and the design you want to place on it. For example, if you want to print your design on a carry bag, upload a plain carry bag image along with your artwork or logo design. Once both images are uploaded, click on the plus icon again and choose the Create Image option. Now write a detailed prompt describing the type of mockup you want, including placement, lighting, background, style, and presentation. You can also adjust the image ratio according to your needs before submitting the request. After clicking the Submit button, ChatGPT will generate a professional-looking mockup within seconds. Once the result is ready, simply download it and use it for branding, e-commerce, social media, or product presentations.